Hey guys, I'm back again. Next product review featuring the manual Aerator from Butler. Got this on Amazon, about 38 to 40 bucks. It's a good tool I wanted to use just for the front yard. Didn't want to spend a lot of money or rent equipment or hire someone to do it, so decided I could spend some time each day. So I spend about 6 days out there in the front yard, about an hour and a half each day, maybe a little bit more. So it takes some time, it takes some energy depending on the type of soil you have. I waited for some good hard rains to make it a little bit easier and more efficient. But this had the best reviews on Amazon. It's built well. It's got 4-inch spikes here on each side, about 7 inches wide. Hardest part about it is if you're having tougher soil, clay soil or anything like that, rocky soil, it can be tough on the back, especially with the repetitive motion. So if you do have some tough spots, you want to wiggle it back and forth a little bit and pull it up. It does work really well, and it's durable, solid for what I needed it for. I just didn't want to hire someone to do it. So all in all, it's a great product by Butler. There's some good reviews on it, so that's why I wanted to give it a test. It does have a lifetime warranty on it, so check that out as well. And if you're looking for something simple and easy to do for your yard to improve the soil, especially for the fall prep, for overcoming for the winter, or even for a nice green up in the spring, it's a great tool to use. So all in all, it's great from Butler, and I like it a lot. It's just a lot of stiffness on the back, especially when you're going to pull it out, and it's tough to get down in the soil, but it works good. Overall, pretty satisfied with it. Great tool. Thanks, guys.